In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this easy anti-cheat not installed while trying to play your Steam games. So to fix this, first open Steam. Now head to your library and then right click on the game that's giving you this error. Now go to manage and then select browse local files. Now in the file explorer window that opens, open this easy anti-cheat folder. Now here you will see this easy anti-cheat setup file. Simply right click on it, select show more options and then select this create shortcut option. Now here you will need to right click on the shortcut file and then select properties. Now go to the end of the target field. Now type in space, type in install. Now type in space again and then type in prod-fn. Once you have typed this, simply apply followed by OK. Now right click on the setup file and then select run as administrator. Once you have installed this easy anti-cheat, open the Steam app and then try to play your game again. If you still get the same error, right click on your game again and this time select properties. Now here you will need to go to this installed files and then click on this verify integrity of game files. Now simply wait for this verification to complete, and after that you should be able to play your game without any errors. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.